Find or read reviews that people are talking of SIMATE Cordless Pressure Washer. Are recommended that you do not buy, unless you have read and studied this product, until you are sure that quality are acceptable, and you really want to buy. And don't forget press to subscribe, click bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Why you choose SIMATE Cordless Pressure Washer. Below are some reasons why you should choose. The SIMATE Cordless Pressure Washer is the perfect portable tool for a variety of cleaning applications. Portable pressure washer equipped with a 21-volt 4000 mAh large capacity battery, please charge before use. Max 940 psi working pressure, releasing 14x more pressure than a regular garden hose, which is much higher than the average pressure washer. It provides more efficient cleaning power and makes cleaning easier. Won the love of many people. SIMATE Cordless Electric Pressure Washer features the adjustable 6-in-1 nozzle, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees slant direction, 40 degrees, foam jetting, and shower mode. Feel free to turn the nozzle to suit your needs to adjust a mode, which will save a lot of water. In addition, we also provide a nozzle with a detergent container, approximate 400 ml, which can be used for daily cleaning. Fast foaming, fine and uniform foam, easy to wash the car. Compared with traditional water pressure washers, cordless pressure washers avoid the limitation of wires, and it only takes a few minutes to assemble. SIMATE Portable Pressure Washer weighs only 3 pounds and comes with a 16.4 feet hose for easy storage. Portable electric washers are lighter and more portable. With multiple accessories and high power, cordless pressure washer can not only be used to clean all kinds of cars, bicycles, motorcycles, engineering vehicles and more. It can also be used to clean balconies, windows, terraces, exterior walls, floors, houses, garden furniture and more. Remember to fully charge it before taking it outdoors. This high-pressure cordless washer comes with a 21-volt battery, a fast charger, a 6-in-1 spray nozzle, a 300 ml soap container and foam spraying nozzle, a water filter, a 16.4 feet hose. A foldable 9 liters bucket. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.